Greetings! Today we will make energy bars that are much healthier than store-bought ones. You can give them to children at school or take them with you as a snack. We need 250 grams rolled oats, 75 grams dried apricot, 100 grams dates, 70 grams prunes, 70 grams of peeled sunflower seeds, 50 grams of raisins, 50 grams of butter, 100 grams of honey, 30 grams sesame. Pour oatmeal into a bowl. Two teaspoons cinnamon. Add 100 grams honey and 50 grams butter. You can soften them in the microwave for better mixing. Mix everything. Add dried apricots, raisins, prunes, dates. Mix everything. Use a glove to mix food so that food does not stick to your hands. Add peanuts. Half the sunflower seeds for a richer taste. You can pre-fry peanuts, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds in a frying pan for 5 minutes. Now let's grind the resulting mass through a meat grinder. You can try to grind everything in a blender, but it can only work so well in a meat grinder. This is the product we should get. Mix it well. Add the remaining sunflower and sesame seeds. Tell us what city and country you are watching this recipe from, so that I can say hello to you in the next videos. Place cling film on the bottom of the container and place our mixture on it. To get even bars, we need a flat surface with which we will level our mass. Cover our bars with cling film and place in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours, preferably overnight. Our bars are ready. All that remains is to take them out of the container and cut them into convenient shapes for you. I prefer to cut them into bars and store them in the refrigerator. I take 1 to 2 pieces a day. The shelf life of such bars is more than a month. You can give them to children, or take them with you to work. They contain only natural sugars from fruits and honey. No bake, no eggs, no flour, and you know exactly what's in the product, unlike store-bought ones. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is very important for the growing of the channel. Thanks for watching.